Hello everybody, Hello everybody, Zeo Lightning here, and I come to you with another emergency alert system coming on with you today. So as you can see, I made some pretty dang new changes to my emergency alert system. Nothing going on recently, but it's still the same, but I made some new changes. So are you guys ready to see it? So here you go. Emergency alert. Here is my new changes to the emergency alert system. Yes, it's still here. This baby is still right here. I'm still saying it's still my favorite toy, but yeah. One thing changed about here is this is connected to my new thing right here, which is that new thing right here is connected to this, so I can know what time it is for this. Yep. But yet again, it will be super cool when the national test of the emergency alert system will come on here. Will come on here now. So not only will you get local tests and lots of other things, you will get the national test, which I'm waiting to hear back on that, which is so stressful. So which I am gonna go ahead and demonstrate an audio for you, just to see what that's. I'm gonna demonstrate a test for you. Let's just say for the whole United States for right now, and see what that sounds like. See, this will come on and the automatic will still be on. I can also do logging on here, since not only that this YouTuber works for that radio station, which I have connected to the other station 101.3. I can also do logging on here, which that will connect to this station in any minute now. My friend Katie got the notification. She's listening to a radio station right now, and she's got my demonstration for the youth demonstration. Which, in any case, my new rock station will come on in any second now too. So, which again, I can go ahead and just erase this. I'll need just 111 for the index. Which, by the way, I need paper for this. I don't know where to get that. Guys, if you have anything to get those bad boys papers so I can read logs and just put them up in my room. Guys, if any of you can comment down below where you can find those, that would be great. So I don't have to ask anyone in my family. Well, that was it. Bye bye now.